Hi, my name is Kyle. This is how I'm going to make a perfect fruit salad for my own. What I have here, I'm going to be starting with the sweet and sour salad dressing. I already rolled zest and juice one lime right over here. This is the zest and this is the juice of one lime. Let's put that right over. I'm also going to put 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of honey to sweeten up. And you can also give that a little whisk. I'm going to use a spoon. Just you want to get the sweetness has to be dissolved into the citrus juices. I like to slowly whisking over it. We don't want to spill over the dressing. There we go. Let's just set this for momentarily. We're going to prepare the rest. Now we're going to do for salad. I already have 16-ounce containers of fresh strawberries. Has been already removed the stems and slice it into halves. Let's put that over. I'm going to add 6-ounce containers of fresh blueberries. Also each with the raspberries and the blackberries. I have only 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks in 100% juice. You gotta make sure to drain really well. We don't want to pour it out in the sink because we're going to save one for later that we're going to make a perfect drink. I'm going to use 4 that has been already peeled and cut into 4 of the kiwi. I'm going to put 1 cup of each of the red and green grapes. And lastly, I peeled and sliced 1 large banana with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to coat that to prevent the bananas from overbrowning. Looks like I need a bigger bowl to toss the salad. There we go, that's big enough. I'm just going to toss this around, well cut it. And don't forget to pour the sweet and sour salad dressing. So let's keep tossing around. I like the real tartness of the fruit salad because it's going to taste great. Okay, these ones all tossed. Now once after toss, I'm going to cover it tightly with some plastic wrap. I'm going to put 2 sheets of plastic wrap. It tights really easy fit. Now you want to chill it into the refrigerator until cold. You can see it is really cold in the fridge. I took it out. Probably the perfectly fruit salad. If you can, you do that for the after lunch during for the snack time. And you have finished a perfectly fruit salad. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Always have to make sure to view always and watch before sharing. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, summer just came for still. I hope you guys enjoy. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.